Oh, alright. Hey YouTube, what's poppin'? We're here at Eris's stepdad's cabin and we're shooting guns. Eris is out there fixing the target right now. And this is Eris's stepdad. And right now we're shooting, what's this one? The 30-06. Shooting that. And then we have a shotgun.
Now they always say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had it.
Right here. And then this is a muzzle holder. Gonna have some fun shooting guns. And get back to you guys when Eris gets back over here.
No, it's okay. It's okay, Eden.
Yes or no? No? It's okay.
Look, come here. I'm gonna show you what it feels like. And don't forget, you got it on.
Is that safety?
Yes.
I need the chair.
Okay.
Take a deep breath.
How was it the first time shooting a 30-06?
It was alright.
Was it scared for nothing? Hold on. Good. Push harder. There you go. Safety is down.
Huh? I know, I just put it back up.
Okay. Nice and tight to your shoulder. Did you see the bullet come out of that thing? Yeah, I seen that. Jeez. Now just press this. And now.
Ready?
Yes. I'm gonna try a double shot this time.
Ready?
Yeah.
My name is Aiden. This is how I shoot a shotgun.
You got the safety on?
Don't want to interrupt this call. Alright.
Say it.
My name is Aiden. This is how I shoot a shotgun.
Generator box. The generator box. Somebody drilled the key set out.
How did it feel?
Pretty good.
Was it a lot of kickback?
Not really.
You want to shoot another one?
Yeah, set up some more pigeons.
Yeah, we'll have to figure something
What's up, Z Squad? People out here are specifically savages. I'm gonna show you why they're savages, okay? You see this lock right there? You see that inside there? Somebody actually tried to drill the lock and steal it from the cabin. Luckily, we have some good locks and stuff, so I actually got my key, so that way, you know, y'all just have to have a safety key. So easily take it, put the lock in just like so. If you get a good position on this thing first, right there, because you don't have much room to work in. So we'll try this right here. Squeeze it together like so. I'm gonna have to use my ab muscles on this one. Holy crap. Yo, bro. I might have to really try to. Okay.
I'm strong, guys.
I couldn't necessarily get it. That was stronger than I thought. So we got Hawk, aka Muscles, right there.
I don't even think this is. That's dull.
Let's see if we can do it on a doll end. There you go. Look at that. It took all of those muscles for this little dinky ass thing. What should I do with this?
Break it.
It's already broken.
Throw it in the weeds.
Throw it in the weeds. Let's see what we got in our container. Nothing fell. Box. It's the generator. Can't get a more beautiful place than this here. You have the food cooking on the grill with the chef. No matter where he's at, you'll see him cooking. Look at that. You got Aiden trying to burn a box. See? On the country. Doesn't matter. With that beautiful sunset. It's gonna let me, there we go. Look at that beautiful sunset. See that? All country out here. That's how we do it. All with it.
Lighter fluid.
You need what?
Lighter fluid.
He says we need lighter fluid. So let me go help him out and get this thing on fire.
They always say congratulations. Work so hard, forgot how to vacation. They ain't never had